Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KP Kwan. Welcome back to the series Simple Delicious Eats. And today I'm going to make something that is really simple, really delicious. That is using the local romaine lettuce stir fry with fermented beancurd or fermented tofu. In Cantonese we call it 腐乳. So this dish in Cantonese we call it 腐乳炒生菜. And it is a very popular traditional Cantonese dish, and I hope you will love it. Fermented tofu is a kind of fermented item just like cheese in the West. In Chinese, we have a fermented tofu instead of cheese, and it is salty and it is very flavorful. So in these videos, I would like to show you how to make a simple dish by using it together with the vegetables. Let's get started. Alright, these are the ingredients for today's recipe: romaine lettuce along with the fermented beancurd. So besides these two major items, I also need some chopped garlic, some sugar, and one red chili. So you may wonder what is it about. It is written here beancurd preserved, and many other people just like me, we also call it as fermented beancurd. And there are two different types. This is the white color one, and the other one is the red one. We don't use the red one for this recipe because the flavor is not the same. So we're gonna use the white one for this time. It is highly flavorful and it's also quite salty. So if I use this to cook the lettuce, then most likely I will not add any additional salt. Cut the lettuce and separate the leaves, and then wash with plenty of water. Then put the lettuce in a strainer to drain away the water. And this is an important step because if the lettuce is too wet, when you stir fry, it will release too much water. The next step is to prepare some chopped garlic. And cut the chili into strips. I also would like to remove the seeds so that it's not that spicy. The sauce is made with only two items, some sugar and the fermented beancurd. So I'm going to take out a few. You can use 3 or 4. If you want the flavor to be more intense, then you use 4. 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, and also some of the liquid, the brine, which is slightly salty. Use that to form a sauce. Mash it so that it is easy to combine with the vegetable during stir frying. You don't really need to add salt at this moment because it is quite salty. Today I'm using my cast iron wok with a high power stove. But if you don't have one, it is okay. Just switch it on to the highest power as possible during stir frying. Now we switch on the stove at the very beginning, over low heat first, and saute the garlic. When the garlic turns aromatic, roughly it will take about 15 to 30 seconds. Then add the chili and also the fermented beancurd paste that we have made just now. Okay, now it's already turned aromatic, so I add the chili and also the sauce that we have made just now. Still over low heat. We don't really need high heat at the moment. We only need a high heat when we start to add the vegetable later. Now let's turn to high heat and start adding the lettuce. It will start to wilt probably within 1 minute. Looks a lot now, but it's actually not a lot. I'll keep adding. Continue doing this over high heat. If you use a small stove or you do not have a high power stove, what you can do is that you can do this by batches. That is, you do not cook all the vegetable at one go, divide it into 2 batches. So it's about done. Look at it. If you continue again for another 1 minute, it will be too soft. So I just switch it off. You see that even though I have already drained away the water, there's still some water down here. So in other words is that during the stir frying, you don't actually need to add any water. The water will release from the vegetable itself. Simple recipe, great flavor. That's something I always want to when I cook it at home. That's how to prepare the lettuce stir fry with the fermented bean curd, and I hope you will love this traditional Cantonese recipe. And if you want to get the recipe, you can get it at the description below the video, and also I will include it at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.